How to play a YouTube video using the YouTube streaming feature in VIA. Start by launching the VIA app. Enter the room name, then click on Join. Enter your nickname and the room code, then click on Join. On the red banner above, click Present. Click on Features, then on YouTube. From here, search for the YouTube video that you want to stream. Once you find the video that you want to stream, click on Play on VIA, and the video will start streaming on the projector screen. You can pause, play, and stop the video using the VIA app. Once you're done, click on the X button to log out of the VIA application.